A single overlooked Dechre. The Great Library of Alexandria burns. What if that fire never happened? Imagine a pivotal moment during the early development of maritime trade routes. A single captain's hesitation to take a known but riskier path could have completely altered the flow of global commerce. This small act of decision ripples outward, changing which civilizations gained wealth and influence over millennia. The established routes we know today are merely one outcome among countless others that were almost chosen. These ancient churches define the very geography of economic power. Consider the slow erosion of political philosophies during the medieval period. A slightly different interpretation of a foundational text could have steered religious and political thought in opposing directions. This divergence meant that entire societal structures developed along radically distinct ethical paths. The resulting cultures are now separated by centuries of divergent philosophical evolution. These subtle shifts demonstrate how deeply interconnected every choice truly is to the final outcome. Look at the moment when a specific technological invention was delayed by mere weeks. This delay allowed an entirely different scientific pursuit to take precedence, leading to unexpected breakthroughs later on. The subsequent advancements in fields like engineering and medicine were fundamentally rearranged by this simple pause. The current state of human technology is therefore contingent upon these seemingly negligible temporal hesitations. History is built not just on grand events, but on the accumulation of these minute, unrecorded decisions. The divergence point often occurs not at a grand battle, but during periods of intense negotiation. A slight shift in diplomatic tone or an overlooked concession could have fundamentally reconfigured international relations. These subtle diplomatic maneuvers set the stage for future conflicts and alliances that unfolded differently. The current geopolitical map is thus fragile, resting on decisions made by individuals with limited influence. Explore how a seemingly insignificant migration pattern altered the distribution of resources across continents. A group choosing a different path, driven by an alternative fear or desire, reshaped entire ecological systems over vast stretches of time. This movement established entirely new patterns of settlement and resource management that persist today. The current balance of global ecosystems is directly traceable to these ancient, unrecorded demographic shifts. The reality we inhabit is merely one possibility among an infinite number of potential timelines. Every path taken exists in some form, a ghost reality waiting to be explored by imagination. Recognizing this multiplicity shifts our perspective on determinism and free will entirely. The weight of all those unlived histories presses upon the present moment we experience daily. These unseen timelines remain as how fragile our current reality truly is. When a single historical thread is severed, the resulting chaos is immediate and absolute. A minor decision at one juncture instantly triggers a cascade of events across vast distances and different cultures. Geopolitical maps shift dramatically in mere moments after that pivot point is crossed. Entire empires tremble or rise based on an unforeseen outcome. This divergence does not happen slowly. It manifests as an instantaneous rewriting of reality for those involved. The immediate consequence is a sudden, violent restructuring of power dynamics everywhere. New alliances form overnight, and old borders vanish without warning. The world we observe today is simply one fragile possibility among countless others. Consider the instant geopolitical shift following a divergence in early trade routes. If a critical maritime route had been controlled by different powers, the flow of wealth and resources would have instantly redirected itself. Entire economies built upon old assumptions collapse under this new reality. Cultural identities are reshaped as populations are forced into new economic spheres. The resulting tension creates immediate friction between neighboring regions. This sudden alteration in economic reality necessitates entirely new political negotiations. All treaties become meaningless artifacts in this newly formed landscape. The stability of the established world is instantly shattered by these uncertain changes. The immediate consequence of a divergence in technological development is equally profound. If a key scientific discovery had been delayed or altered, the path of industrialization would have completely changed. Entire technological paradigms would never have emerged in the same sequence. Societies would face radically different challenges based on their available knowledge and tools. The distribution of power among nations changes instantly based on who controls the new science. This immediate change forces populations into unfamiliar societal roles very quickly. The established trajectory of human progress is entirely derailed by this single decision. A divergence in cultural identity immediately reshapes social structures across the board. New social hierarchies emerge based on the altered historical context of the pivot point. Religious and philosophical beliefs instantly adapt to the new geopolitical pressures they face. Cultural non-state once seemed immutable suddenly become fluid and contested. This change forces intense internal conflict within newly formed state. Identities are redefined by the immediate necessity of survival in this altered environment. The sense of belonging shifts dramatically for every single population group involved. The immediate consequence for established political systems is a complete systemic shock. Existing legal frameworks and governing structures become instantly obsolete in the new timeline. Governments face internal instability as their mandates clash with the new geopolitical realities. The mechanisms of governance require immediate, radical retooling to function effectively. All diplomatic protocols fail completely when faced with unforeseen circumstances. This necessitates rapid, often brutal, adaptation by leaders trying to maintain some semblance of order. The established rules of engagement are set to apply in this drastically altered world. When a key figure as fate is altered at the moment of divergence, the ripple effect is instantaneous across social classes. The established relationships between elites and common people are instantly rewritten by the new historical context. Social mobility is either accelerated or completely reversed depending on the new power structure. New social contracts are negotiated in the height of immediate crisis among the newly empowered groups. The very fabric of societal interaction is strained by these sudden, impossible changes. All hierarchies dissolve into a volatile mix of unknown alliances and bitter rivalries. The immediate chaos manifests as a frantic struggle for survival among all strata. By the way, if you like this discussion, don't forget to subscribe. There are many more interesting topics coming up. Bohler listrik. The immediate consequence is an upheaval in global resource distribution. New demands emerge instantly based on the altered technological or societal focus of the timeline. Essential resources become scarce or abundant according to the new reality's constraints. Conflicts erupt immediately over control of these newly defined assets and supplies. The balance of power shifts based entirely on who controls the flow of these critical materials. This immediate scarcity fuels intense, localized warfare across formerly stable regions. The established patterns of economic equilibrium are completely broken by this abrupt shift in reality. The divergence points we examined earlier are merely the starting lines for a far more complex narrative. The true measure of history lies not in the initial split, but in the subsequent, slow unfolding of consequences. Imagine a single decision made centuries ago, a choice so small it was dismissed as inconsequential by those living at the time. Yet, this tiny inflection point sends vibrations through the fabric of reality that persists for countless generations. These ripples do not crash instantly, they shape, subtly altering the course of human development over immense stretches of time. We are tracing these subtle shifts, watching how a single thread unravels into an entirely different tapestry. Consider the subtle shift in agricultural practices that occurred in one remote valley during the medieval period. This minor change in seed selection had profound implications for subsequent population density and resource distribution across the continent. Over centuries, this seemingly trivial adjustment led to entirely different societal structures emerging from those regions. The resulting demographic patterns were vastly different from what we observe in our current world. These long-term shifts demonstrate how small ecological decisions multiply into massive demographic realities. Observe how the slow evolution of philosophical thought shifted dramatically across different historical epochs. A slightly different emphasis placed on a single concept during one era altered the trajectory of subsequent intellectual movements. This change influenced the very language used to describe reality and morality in succeeding centuries. The foundations of modern ethics and political systems were built upon these subtly divergent intellectual streams. These intellectual currents demonstrated the power of cumulative, slow-moving conceptual drift. The development of early communication technologies provides another potent example of the butterfly effect in action. A small delay in the invention or adoption of a crucial mechanical principle led to vastly different patterns of global interaction. This change affected trade routes, cultural exchange, and the speed at which ideas traveled across continents. The resulting global network is fundamentally shaped by these initial, almost invisible technological hesitations. It illustrates how seemingly mundane scientific steps dictate global connectivity. Examine the subtle shifts in artistic patronage and cultural focus across different historical periods. A decision by a single patron to favor one style over another created an entirely new aesthetic lineage that persisted for centuries. This choice influenced which themes were deemed worthy of exploration and which artistic expressions received widespread support. The visual language of an entire civilization is built upon these cumulative, long-term aesthetic changes. These artistic evolutions reveal the deep connection between material culture and abstract thought. Tracing the evolution of social hierarchies reveals how small initial inequalities can balloon into entrenched systemic divisions across generations. A slight imbalance in resource allocation at an early stage created a widening gap that became immutable over time. These seemingly minor disparities solidified into rigid social strata, dictating opportunity and fate for countless individuals. The structure of societal inequality is not instantaneous. It is the accumulated weight of generational adjustments. This process demonstrates how small initial errors solidify into massive systemic outcomes. Consider the long-term impact of early exposure to certain environmental pressures on human psychology. Subtle differences in climate or resource availability subtly molded the temperament and decision-making processes of successive generations. These slow environmental adjustments affected cultural values and the inherent ways people perceive their place in the world. The psychological landscape of a civilization is thus deeply imprinted by these gradual, persistent environmental shifts. Tis unseen influence shapes entire modes of thought. The persistence of certain linguistic structures across millennia is a testament to the cumulative effect of gradual evolution. A small phonetic shift in an ancient dialect eventually led to entirely different semantic meanings and cultural concepts over vast stretches of time. The way was evolved reflects the slow, unstoppable drift of human communication patterns. These subtle linguistic shifts reveal the deep interconnectedness between spoken thought and the physical world we inhabit. Language itself becomes a vessel for these massive, unfolding historical consequences. These long-term ripple effects demonstrated that history is not a fixed line but an infinitely branching possibility. Every seemingly insignificant choice contributes to a complex web of unforeseen outcomes across the span of ages. The present reality we inhabit is merely one fragile outcome among countless potential realities that never fully materialized. Understanding this complexity forces us to reevaluate the nature of determinism and free will in human affairs. We are all participants in an ever-branching, sprawling tapestry of possibility. When we examine these divergent timelines, the fundamental question shifts from what happened to how we chose. The existence of infinite possibilities challenges our very notion of free will and the linear progression of history. If every minor decision creates a new reality, does genuine choice even exist within our perceived reality? This concept forces us to confront the deterministic nature of events versus the illusion of personal agency. We see that the present moment is not an inevitable destination, but merely one momentary path among countless others. The weight of this realization is profound and unsettling for the observer. The fragility of our current reality becomes acutely apparent when tracing these alternate paths. Every established structure we rely upon seems built upon a razor edge of chance and consequence. This instability suggests that the world is not a fixed narrative, but an infinitely branching tree of potential outcomes. The stability we perceive is perhaps an illusion maintained by collective agreement and inertia. If history is merely one thread among many, then our present structures are inherently precarious. This understanding demands a radical reevaluation of established truths. Determinism suggests that all events are causally linked, meaning every outcome was predetermined from the very beginning. If this is true, then our sense of making changes is merely an internal experience layered upon an already written script. Alternate timelines combat this view by introducing variables that defy simple causal chains. We must consider whether free will is a genuine capacity to choose or simply the awareness of a preordained sequence unfolding. This philosophical debate opens up immense territory regarding accountability and moral responsibility. The concept of free will posits that we possess the ability to choose paths independent of prior conditions. This freedom implies that our choices genuinely shape the unfolding of history, creating novel realities from existing possibilities. If this is true, then the reality we inhabit is not fixed but constantly being altered by conscious action. This perspective places immense responsibility upon every individual to navigate the vast expanse of potential future state create. The line between fate and choice blurs when considering the sheer multiplicity of possible histories. Our current reality feels constrained by a singular, perceived trajectory. Yet, the existence of alternative timelines suggests that this constraint is artificial, imposed by our limited perspective. The sheer volume of unmanifested realities implies that there are countless ways things could have unfolded differently. This realization dissolves the certainty we cling to regarding our present circumstances and societal structures. It encourages a profound sense of humility when confronting the scope of what remains unknown about existence. The philosophical implications of this branching history strike at the heart of human existence. If alternative timelines are equally valid possibilities, then our current moral and ethical frameworks must be re-examined. The perceived rightness or wrongness of our present changes becomes relative to these infinite alternatives. This challenges the notion that there is a single, objective moral truth governing all human actions across time and space. Such uncertainty introduces a tension between personal conviction and historical determinism. History is not a single, straight line we follow. It is an immense tapestry woven from countless threads of possibility. Every event, every choice, creates a new strand in the infinite expanse of what could have been. We often perceive our present reality as the only true path, a fixed destination carved by necessity. This perspective ignores the staggering reality of all the paths that were deliberately avoided. Imagine an ocean where every drop represents a decision made and not taken. That is the sheer scale of alternative timeliness we are forced to confront. The concept of fixed history dissolves when we examine the branching points. Every minor divergence creates a new reality branching out from the original path. These unseen timeliness exist simultaneously, parallel to our own experienced world. They are not mere hypotheticals, but tangible realities existing just beyond the edge of our perception. Each split point represents a moment where reality fractured into multiple distinct streams. To embrace his multiplicity requires a profound shift in understanding. We must stop viewing history as a deterministic script written by fate. Instead, recognize it as an infinitely branching possibility space waiting to be explored. The weight of all these unseen possibilities is immense and demands a reevaluation of what we accept as established fact. His realization challenges the very foundations of our linear perception of time and causality. The fragility of our current reality becomes strikingly apparent from this vantage point. Our present existence is merely one delicate thread in an endless wave of potential outcomes. The fact that we exist here and now is not a mandata, but an astonishing accident within a boundless sea of alternatives. His realization shifts the focus from what is to what could be, opening up vast new philosophical territories. Embracing the unseen timeliness demands a surrender of rigid determinism. Free will is not simply choosing one path among fixed options. It resides in the act of perceiving and acknowledging the infinite potential of alternative histories. We are not bound by a single narrative, but possess the capacity to explore the myriad realities that lie just outside our immediate grasp. This freedom is born from recognizing the boundless nature of historical chaos. Ultimately, history reveals itself as a panorama of infinite potential. It is not a predetermined track but a dynamic space constantly unfolding with every choice made and unmade. We stand at the nexus of these unseen timeliness, holding the power to appreciate her boundless scope. The true significance lies in recognizing this infinite branching, this limitless potential for what time allows us to imagine. Hi Ere. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. Wajah tersenyum dengan mata bahagia last chance. Subscribe now before we launch our new series. Gamebox terbuka.